Good Saturday morning, everybody. Here we are, 256 Garage. Our weekend review's not coming from the shop. We're here in downtown Collinsville for the, I don't know how many annual, over 100 Turkey Trot Festival. We're right here on Main Street. 256 Garage is helping put on a car show for it. Kind of show you a little shot from up here at some of the cars that's done piling in. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. You can see we're done filling them up. Done started going in the parking lot over there. They got the road closed. The festival part's down there, and we got the cars up here. We still got a few more on the way. Right here comes a little Mustang, or he's going the other way one. Sounds like he ought to be in the show. But right here are some of the cars. It looks like we're gonna have a real good turnout. Little Mustang there, pretty little Fox body. Got some Chevrolet trucks, Bel Air, another little Mustang, Chevrolet trucks, little Chevelle. We got all kind of stuff here. The Cougar. I mean, we got all kind of vehicles here piling in. Hope everybody has a good Saturday. Hope you're here. If you're not, make plans to join us next year. We're always here the second Saturday of every November. This is about our 4th time doing the car show for them, and it seems to be getting bigger and bigger. We had a little rain this year, and that kind of slowed things up, but they're still piling in. I just got some messages that we got a few more on the way. So we're going to have a good time. Like I said, if you're not here, make plans to be here next year. Few of the tractors at the show today. Got them lined up over here in front of the old feed mill. Several of them. See, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. A nice little Alice Chandler collection. All of them look real nice. Got some pony rides here today. Come by, have your little one take them a little pony ride while they look at the tractors and the cars and do all the other festivals. Appreciate you coming out.